Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download Google Gemini app. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to go to your Play Store, and here on the search bar let's type Google Gemini. Alright, so here you can see we have the option that is provided by Google, which is saying looking for Google Gemini. This app won't work on my phone. So let's view the phone specifications. So when I go to about phone, here you can see this is my S9 Ultra and my Android version is 10. So even though my Android version is 10, it's still not working in this device. So let's try on another phone. So here you can see this phone is Samsung S22 Ultra, which means Google Gemini should work on this phone. So let's go to Play Store and search for Google Gemini app once again. So here you can see now we have another problem. So this app won't work on my region. So since I reside in a region where the Google Gemini app is not available, so what you can do is, if you are in countries like United States, Canada, you'll be able to download Google Gemini application on your phone. So make sure your phone specification is high and you have the latest phone available. So now let's go to Google browser and see on which country is Google Gemini Android version is available. So here you can see, let's copy this link and paste it. So here you can see it's showing that Gemini is available in 60 plus countries. So let's see which countries are available for the Android version of the Google Gemini. So here you can see we have United States, countries like Canada, Costa Rica, Mexico. So here you can see if you live in those mentioned countries, you'll be able to download the Google Gemini app from Play Store. That's it. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.